welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sunday. What are we cooking today? Well, it's another sweet treat day. It's actually Valentine's Day when I'm recording this, and so this would be kind of a sweet treat for us for Valentine's Day. But you'll be seeing this, of course, after Valentine's Day. Doesn't mean you still can't have sweet treats. This is a very simple 2-ingredient meal or treat. 2 ingredients plus sugar, which is really a staple, so I don't consider that an ingredient. And it is something that can be used for fancy tea, like a high tea, or a pretty presentation for company, or just an everyday snack, and something that's easy to make. You can make it very simply, and so could your kids or grandkids. So give me a second. I'm going to bring you down to the desk, down to the countertop, and we're going to put together strawberry Palmiers. No, we're not going to go to the bake shop. We're going to make our own. Just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are down at the counter. I'm going to be using my cutting board here. I have 1 sheet of puff pastry. And I always have puff pastry or something like that in the freezer, because you can always pull it out and make a savory or sweet treat with that. Now, instead of flouring my cutting board, I'm going to sugar it. And it says 5 to 6 tablespoons. I just have some in this cup. Now we'll open it up. And it says to roll it 1 or 2 inches in both directions. So let's see what we can do here. There we go. I think you get that. Now I'm going to take strawberry jam, and I've got a couple of different ones because I don't have enough of one. It takes about a cup. We're going to see how this goes. And you know, this is strawberry jam, but you could use blueberry jam. Pineapple would be nice. But you want to use jam, not a pie filling, jam. Okay? And I'm going to go pretty much to the edge here. You know, nice thin coat. have preheated my oven to 400. I think that does it. Now what I'm going to do is I start here, and I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to roll it just to the middle. And you can see the underneath of this is all nice and sugary. Okay, you see? Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. And just roll it. Now I'm kind of pinching it together up at the top. Now I'm going to move you for just a minute because I've got to get my pan. Hold on. I have a cookie sheet here lined with parchment, and I'll move over in a bit so you can see that. And I'm going to get a different knife. I'm going to cut these. I should get well, that's 15. They said 20, but we're going to go with it. So I'm just going to cut through, and I'm going to lay them on its side. Now you've seen me cutting, so I'll move you down here. You can see the pan. There you go. Now we're going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Back in a bit. Here they are, right out of the oven. You can even see some of that jam is still boiling. It says you need to let these cool for 15 minutes before attempting to eat one. So we're going to do that. So I'll be back in a few minutes, and then we'll give it a good taste test. See you in a bit. There you go. Look at that. Aren't they nice? Look how fancy. Just like you've been to the bakery. Strawberry Palmiers. Let me give you a little taste test. I got one that has a little fuzzy thing on the end of it. There are no words. Absolutely yummy. These are so good. You know, I was trying to think of other flavors that you could put in. Of course, any of the jelly flavors would work. Blueberry jelly, pineapple jelly, raspberry. But then I was thinking, in the holiday season, I don't think you can even get it now. Wouldn't mincemeat be good in there if you like mincemeat? I like mincemeat. Because even though it's a pie filling, it's more of a jelly type pie filling. And that would make a really savory one, not savory, but sweet dessert for your holiday table. So think about what you could put in the middle for it for flavoring. And I'll see you again Wednesday for Craft Day. Until then, have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe, stay warm, stay dry, whatever it is you need. Be kind to each other, and everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.